Problem number 5 wants us to write a quadratic equation that has integer coefficients of 6 and negative 3. When it has integer coefficients, it has the solutions of 6 and negative 3. The solutions of 6 and negative 3 simply mean that x equals 6 and x equals negative 3. And when it has integer coefficients, that just means that there's numbers in front of the x's in their final equation. So we have x equals 6 and x equals negative 3. We're just working backwards with this problem. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. So we're going to be left with x minus 6 equals 0. And we're going to add 3 to both sides of the equation. So x plus 3 equals 0. Now we're going to put a parentheses around both of these terms, and we're going to group them together. X minus 6 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now since it wants us to have integer coefficients, we have to FOIL this. So we have to do our first x times x, which is x squared. Our outer, which is x times 3, gives us positive 3x. Negative 6 times x gives us negative 6x. And last would be negative 6 times 3, which gives us negative 18 equals 0. So now we have to combine our like terms, which is just the center, and we're going to be left with x squared. Positive 3 minus 6 is negative 3x minus 18 equals 0. So for the answer for number 5 with our integer coefficients and the solutions of 6 and negative 3 is x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0.